Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter number 4, Algebraic Expression and Algebraic Formulas. Let's start exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Find which of the following expression are polynomial. 1 minus 5y plus 8y square plus 6y cube. This is polynomials because if we look the power of the variables is positive. So before this we define the polynomial that the power of the variables must be positive. That's why this is a polynomials. Part number second, 5 or x square plus 3 or 4x plus 1. This is not a polynomial. Why this is not a polynomial? Because the x power 2, which is in denominator, if we convert it into numerators, it becomes x power minus 2 and the power of the variables becomes negative. So that's why this is not a polynomials. Part number 3, under root of x or 6x minus 1. This is not a polynomials. Why this is not a polynomial? Because x power 1 over 2 and the power of the variable is not belongs to whole numbers and the power of the variables becomes in fraction form. So that's why this is not a polynomials. Question number 2, which of the following expression are in the lowest form? 5y square minus 5 divided by y minus 1. This is not in a lowest form because it can be solved further. Next, question number 3, reduce the following rational expression to their lowest form. X minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x. So given x minus 5 or x square minus 5x in the denominators, take common x and 2x minus 5. So in numerator x minus 5 and in denominator x minus 5, both are cancelled with each other. We get 1 over x. This is the simplified form. Second, t cube into t minus 3 divide t minus 3 into t plus 5. And the simplification form, t minus 3 in the numerators and in the denominator also. So both are cancelled with each other and the remaining part is t cube divide t plus 5. Question number 4, add the following rational expression. 4x square minus 5y minus 10 comma 2x square plus 5x plus 10. So if we have to add this, we must add the like term with each other, just like 4x square plus 2x square, both are like with each other. These are the like terms. So in addition or in subtractions, only like terms can be added. So minus 5x plus 5x, both are like terms because the degree or the power of the variables are same. Minus 10 and plus 10 are also plus with each others. So all are cancelled with each other. 4x square plus 2x square is equal to 6x square and the remaining parts are cancels. Part number second, y plus 9 or y square plus 3 comma minus 7y plus 7 divided by y square plus 3. By adding these two, taking LCM of both sides, y square plus 3 is the LCM and the upper numerators terms are simply added with each other. Y plus 9 minus 7y plus 7, then y minus 7y plus 9 plus 4 divide y square plus 3, we get minus 6y plus 13 divided by y square plus 3. This is the simplified form. Question number 6, simplify. 2x or 6x minus 9 dot is represent the multiplication sign. 4x minus 6 divide x square plus x. The first step, we are taking a common and make a factors. 2x or 6x minus 9 dot 4x minus 6 divided by x square plus x. 2x or 6x minus 9, take 3 common. 3 into 2x minus 3 dot, take 2 common in the numerators. 2 and 2x minus 3 divide x and 2 x plus 1. Now the like terms can be cancelled with each other in a multiplication. So 2x minus 3 cancel with 2x minus 3 and in denominators there is x and also in a numerators x. So both are cancelled with each other. So by cancelling with each other, we get the remaining parts 4 or 3 and 2x plus 1. This is our required answer. Question number 7, simplify the following. 2y minus 10 or 3y divide y minus 5. So when we change division into multiplication, the part of the division can be reciprocal. Like divide y minus 5, इसको हम उल्टा करते हैं 1 और y minus 5. So y minus 5 and the denominator there is also y minus 5, both are cancelled with each other and the remaining part is 2 or 3y. This is our simplified form. Okay, thanks. God bless you all.